What's up, friends? Grant here from Subset Studio Co. I am trying a trick to fix a dent in the tabletop. Hopefully you can see in this footage right here that I was a little aggressive on the sand trying to fix a chip out on this tabletop. So I'm going to try the method of using a damp cloth and an iron to fix it. Now I've already sanded this because it was finished. I sanded it down a little bit, and I guess the next thing to do is to try it and see how it goes. All right. Spoiler alert. It's a disaster. So I hope you enjoy watching train wrecks. Oh, and if you do enjoy watching train wrecks, I hope you consider liking this video and subscribing to the channel, because this isn't going to be the last time. So I got my water here, I got my cloth here, got a super clean stand here. Just gonna drape that over and start spritzing away. Black & Decker Pro Series steam iron. Only the best to fix dents on tabletops. Why do they do this? Why do they do this? I don't get it. Why do they do this? It's in a box. Come on. All right, getting hot. All right, you can see what I'm trying to fix right here. This is why I went a little heavy with the sander, trying to blend in a little chip, I think, is what happened. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and try this. Damp cloth, I don't know. I think it's gone. Oh, no, it's not. Still right there. Maybe I was ironing the wrong spot. Well, that didn't work. I don't know why. If you do, please let me know, because that's frustrating. That's real frustrating. All right, so I don't know what happened there. The dent's still pretty evident. I don't know if I just took down more than I thought I did or what. I'm kind of hoping that after everything dries and I'm able to sand it down again, that it'll smooth out, but yeah. Right now it seems like it didn't totally work, so we'll see. This is driving me insane. So I am just going to nuke it. Really wish the iron thing just worked. Would have been super cool. Now we're in a pretty rough state. But, oh well. I chose this life. All right, so good news on the table here. I managed to get out that dent after I nuked it with the belt sander, and then went back over it with the random orbital sander. I was able to get out whatever little tiny ridges that were left over from the improper use, most likely, of the belt sander. So I got it out. The problem is I water popped after I sanded, and an interesting thing happened. So let me bring you in close. So after I hit this with the random orbital sander, I figured I'd try for a water pop. So I did that, but after that, you can see, let's see how close I can get, keep it in focus. You can see all these little marks in there, and I have no idea what the hell those are. So because of these little pinholes that I thought at first might be mold, but you know, I had clean water, this was a clean bottle, and it didn't spread, it didn't get worse. I figured if it was mold, it would have gotten considerably worse over the course of, you know, however many hours after I first noticed it to when I try to address it. But yeah, because of this stuff and because of the major cuppage, I'm gonna set this tabletop aside. I have some ideas on how I'm gonna be able to salvage it, but unfortunately this means that for the current project, I'm going to have to build one from scratch, which sucks. But yeah, you live and learn. You know, this was a series of questionable decisions on my part, none of which panned out. I tend to get a little impulsive whenever I get frustrated, and this was a perfect example of that. But yeah, stay tuned for maybe me building a new tabletop. Thanks, see ya.